ain't no shooter. Bitch, you're a top behind the net, you ain't no shooter. Bitch, will bleed out your own cell.
What's up, y'all? It's Ruby and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing DIY cluster. Before we get into the video, like, comment, and subscribe. I got this DIY lash cluster palette from Temu. I'm probably gonna use this other palette for its spikes. I like to mix and match my lash clusters. So this is the lash map we're going to be attempting. I want mine to have a little bit more volume, so we're going to try to make this into our own. So this is what came with the cluster kit. It's some tweezers and bond and seal. So I'm really getting up close and personal. I'm sorry, but I have to in order for y'all to see really what I'm doing. But we go ahead and I'm about to put the lash map on the screen so I can remember. So what I'm doing is applying the bond to my real lashes. Make sure y'all don't get too close to the lash line because this stuff do burn. Well, for this kind, it do burn.
I got that shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X, and we sipping on that juice. That's just what she choose to do.
Before I pick up my lashes, I like to put seal on my tweezers so it's easy to pick up. Make sure when you do pick up the lashes, pick them up at the base, like where they touch the sticky part at the clusters. Take that part and to take it off, because if you take it off at the tip of the eyelashes, you're gonna pull them and they're gonna start separating. So we're gonna take the 16 and we're gonna put them on the outer corners. The reason why I started to do the out first is because when I start from the inner corners, it starts to irritate my eye and I won't be able to see doing my outer corners.
If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my affection. Being close, she isn't close enough. You could say every time we touch, every time we are. Wish you could feel me, you the apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. In space, feels broken hearted.
I'm about to apply the 14. And when you're doing lashes, clusters, and let's say you do exactly the type on the lash map, if your eye is like longer and you need to fill in more. Don't just leave it like gaps in between. That's what we do, 2 layers, and even like then if there's still pieces left that are not like filled in, just go back.
Hoping that secrets spill out your mouth and inhale, exhale, breathe in. With every breath I'm sinking in. No way to describe it, I'm a riot. If I wake up and I'm somehow beside you, instead of beside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could feel me, cute apartment. One bedroom, right where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far. And no one when they see just one, do they see us through?
So what I'm doing here is I'm putting seal on the tweezers, and then I go in with the tweezers and I clamp it down. Now when you have more lashes on your eye, this could become difficult, so I just use my fingers and put the seal on my fingers. But
where do you end? Where do I begin? Start over again. Feel like melting.
the 12s on. I think I put 2 12s on so I can fill in the space, but you can do one if your eye is small. So I'm putting the 10s on, and I did 1 10 and I think I did an 8. If I didn't do an 8, then I did 2 10s. But the reason why I do 8 sometimes is because it just looks better on my eye, but everybody's eye is different, so this won't look just like the picture.
Forget my baby. And I feel that I don't belong. Draw my strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about you.
Yo, I literally could have just stopped here. It looks cheap as fuck, but the reason why I didn't is I feel like they had a curve to them, and I kind of wanted them to just be straight, even though I know what eye's gonna curve. It just didn't look right to me. That left one, I think something was wrong with it. And yes, I did do the left one off camera because the shit was pissing me off, but we're about to do a second layer. I literally could have stopped here, but I feel like another layer would look better.
Smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me.
So now I'm putting on the lash spikes, and I'm putting on 16, 18, 18, and I do 20. So this is the final look. I think one of my, like, both of the eyes is very different a little bit. But my face is asymmetrical though. One of my, like, the one side of my face higher than the other. But I think it's cute though. I feel like I could have did better though, but it's cute. I put spikes on it, but I don't think the spikes that visible. But tell me if y'all want me to do another video on clusters. I basically made this video to show y'all a basic tutorial, but I ain't no professional or nothing. After I'm done applying on my lashes, I go in with the seal and I put it at the base, like where it's connected to my real eyelashes. Make sure you don't want to get too close because this also burns. For me, it burns. So after I put the seal on, I go in with baby powder. I learned this hack from TikTok. Y'all, there was one time I went to sleep and I put just a seal on, and I woke up and I could not open my motherfucking eyes. Like, especially when you're wearing bottom lashes and then the bottom lash still to the top lashes. Yeah, no, put baby powder on them. If you do bottom lashes, put baby powder on the bottom lashes too. This works so good. By the morning, it will, like the white baby powder, it will disappear. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.